Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check advanced editing features on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open your application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the third option, the settings. Here click to the third option, the notes, and you can find the second option, the advanced editing. Click that and you can check the list, the checkbox, the URL, the email, code block and others option, the emojis or the phone numbers and others, and you can enable and you can use that if you want. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.